In today's competitive business landscape, procurement plays a crucial role in driving organizational success. It's no longer just about buying goods and services at the lowest price. Procurement has evolved into a strategic function that impacts an organization's bottom line and overall efficiency. Effective procurement ensures that businesses obtain high-quality goods and services at the right price, from the right suppliers, and at the right time. It involves a complex interplay of planning, sourcing, negotiation, contract management, and risk assessment. A robust procurement function can lead to significant cost savings, improved profitability, and enhanced competitiveness. By streamlining the procurement process, organizations can reduce waste, optimize inventory levels, and free up valuable resources. Moreover, procurement professionals play a vital role in identifying and mitigating risks associated with supply chain disruptions, price volatility, and ethical sourcing. The importance of procurement extends beyond financial gains. By partnering with suppliers who share similar values, organizations can promote ethical sourcing, environmental sustainability, and social responsibility. This not only enhances brand reputation, but also contributes to a more sustainable and equitable global supply chain. In essence, procurement is an integral part of any successful organization. By embracing best practices, leveraging technology, and developing strong supplier relationships, businesses can unlock the full potential of procurement and drive sustainable growth. The procurement process, often depicted as a cycle, encompasses a series of interconnected steps that guide organizations from identifying a need to contract completion and supplier management. Understanding each stage of this cycle is crucial for effective procurement. The journey begins with needs assessment, where the organization identifies its requirements for goods or services. This involves defining specifications, quantities, and timelines. Once the needs are clear, the next step is market research. This involves exploring potential suppliers, evaluating their capabilities, and comparing their offerings. With a pool of potential suppliers identified, the procurement cycle moves to the solicitation stage. Here, organizations may issue requests for proposals or requests for quotations to invite formal bids from suppliers. The evaluation of these bids is a critical step, involving a thorough assessment of factors such as price, quality, delivery time, and supplier reputation. After careful consideration, the organization selects the most suitable supplier and proceeds to contract negotiation. This stage involves reaching mutually agreeable terms and conditions, including payment terms, delivery schedules, and performance metrics. Once the contract is finalized and signed, the order placement stage commences, followed by delivery and receipt of the goods or services. The procurement cycle doesn't end there. Invoice processing and payment ensure timely and accurate financial transactions. Finally, the performance monitoring and evaluation stage involves tracking supplier performance against agreed-upon metrics, providing feedback, and identifying areas for improvement. By following a structured procurement cycle, organizations can ensure transparency, accountability, and efficiency throughout the procurement process. The world of procurement has its own language, replete with specific terms and concepts that are essential for effective communication and understanding. Mastering this vocabulary is crucial for navigating the complexities of the procurement landscape. Procurement itself refers to the process of acquiring goods, services, or works from an external source. It encompasses all activities from identifying a need to contract management and supplier relationship management. Sourcing is a subset of procurement that focuses on identifying and selecting potential suppliers. It involves market research, supplier evaluation, and the development of sourcing strategies. RFP, or Request for Proposal, is a document used to solicit proposals from potential suppliers. It outlines the organization's requirements, specifications, and evaluation criteria. RFQ, or Request for Quotation, is a similar document used to solicit price quotations from suppliers for specific goods or services. Contract is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties that outlines the terms and conditions of a transaction. Purchase order, or PO, is a formal document issued by a buyer to a seller, authorizing the delivery of specified goods or services. It serves as a legally binding agreement for the transaction. Lead time refers to the time elapsed between placing an order and receiving the goods or services. Inventory management involves the processes and procedures for managing and controlling inventory levels to meet demand while minimizing costs. Supply chain encompasses all activities involved in the flow and transformation of goods from raw materials to the end customer. Stakeholders are individuals or groups who have an interest in or are affected by an organization's procurement activities. This can include internal departments, suppliers, customers, and regulatory bodies. By familiarizing yourself with these key terms and concepts, you'll be better equipped to understand procurement discussions, interpret industry publications, and communicate effectively with procurement professionals.